Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the Ask Master Bert Shorts. And I'm Bert Joseph from the Masterclass by Bert Joseph. And this is brought to you by Verdant Wally Industrial Corporation, the distributor of Dahua, Rigi, Rei, Yeastar, Fanville, Aimu, Bias, and other global brands. At talakayin po natin ngayong gabi ang isang katanungan sa akin. Sir Bert, ano po bang mga types of trainings ang makakatulong sa negosyo ko sa CCTV Solutions business? Meron ng mga klase ng trainings. Meron yung libre, yung free, or yung paid trainings. Parehong maganda yan, although yung free, limited. There are product enablement trainings. Ginagawa po ito usually ng mga manufacturers or distributors. Pinifeature dito specs, features, tsaka yung klase ng support na binibigay nila sa produkto. Meron din po mga technical trainings na napakalawak po na kinokondak ng ating mga respetado na practitioners sa industry. Hands-on device experience, pati po mga brand certification trainings, exclusive project trainings and meetings na ginagawa po namin sa HYE and sa Verdant Wally. And of course, the business, sales, marketing, and dinagdag ko po project scenarios from the Masterclass by Bert Joseph.